Hey everyone! Welcome to the Joy in Health channel, where we share amazing tips to help you live with more energy, wellness, and joy. Today, we are diving into something that's creating quite a buzz. Are you ready to unlock the secret to a faster metabolism? It's here, it's natural, it's safe, and it's about to transform your weight loss journey forever. So grab a cup of coffee, your favorite beverage, and let's dive into what could be your new secret weapon, Java Burn. Now let me ask you something. Did you know you can supercharge your morning coffee and lose weight more easily? No, not by adding sugar, but by adding a powerful natural supplement that can boost your metabolism and help you burn fat faster. That's right. We're talking about Java Burn, a revolutionary product that's taking the world by storm. But before we reveal what Java Burn is all about, let me tell you a little story. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, ready to take on the day with a clear mind and a focused determination. No more sluggish mornings. No more feeling like you're battling against the clock. Java Burn makes it possible. It's a completely natural powdered supplement that you simply add to your coffee. That's it. Once it's in your system, it starts working its magic. It boosts your metabolism, burns fat, and gives you that extra energy to power through your day. No jitters, no crash, just pure natural energy. But how does it actually work? Well, Java Burn is a carefully crafted blend of natural ingredients, including green tea extract, chromium, L-carnitine, and other natural compounds. These ingredients work synergistically to enhance the thermogenic effect of caffeine, which means they increase the amount of calories your body burns. It's like having a personal trainer in every cup, motivating your body to burn fat 24/7. And the best part, it doesn't change the taste of your coffee at all. You can enjoy your beverage as you always have, knowing that Java Burn is working hard to support your weight loss goals. In addition to boosting your metabolism, Java Burn also improves focus and concentration, suppresses appetite, burns fat, and of course, gives you energy. It's like having a personal trainer in every cup, pushing you towards your fitness goals. So how do you use it? Well, it's super simple. Just make your coffee as usual, add 1 Java Burn sachet, stir it well, and you're good to go. The magic is now in your hands. Oh, and did I mention Java Burn is tasteless, sugar-free, and gluten-free? It's the perfect companion for those with dietary restrictions. What truly sets Java Burn apart is that it's a natural, safe, and effective way to accelerate your metabolism and burn fat. It's like having a personal trainer in every cup, guiding your body towards a healthier, fitter you. And if you're still not convinced, Java Burn offers a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. Either you see results or get your money back. It's that simple. Ready to take the first sip of your new weight loss journey? The official link is in the description. But remember, watch out for fakes. Only buy from the official website. Don't wait. Start your journey towards a healthier, happier you today with Java Burn. And if you liked today's tip, share your experiences with Java Burn in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Joy in Health, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a health tip. Here, health comes with joy, lightness, and truth. See you next time.